Hello Star Wars fans, today we're diving into the incredible Star Wars The Black Series Boba Fett Premium Electronic Helmet, a must-have for any true collector. This full-scale roleplay collectible captures the essence of Boba Fett with its highly detailed deco and movie-inspired design, making it an iconic addition to your Star Wars collection. The helmet features interior padding and an adjustable fit, ensuring comfort while you immerse yourself in the world of bounty hunting. One of the standout features is the viewfinder with an illuminated rangefinder HUD. With just a press of a button, the viewfinder drops down, activating two red LEDs that flash in a hunting pattern along with a white LED illuminated rangefinder HUD. Inspired by Star Wars, The Empire Strikes Back, this premium electronic helmet is perfect for commemorating the epic saga. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a Star Wars enthusiast, this Boba Fett helmet is sure to impress. Don't forget to explore other figures and roleplay items from the Star Wars Black Series to expand your galaxy far, far away. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.